Hello, December. Bring me all the happiness. Make this last month an amazing one for me. Let me feel good and loved. I'll wait for it.
We're going on vacation, so where you wanna go?
Me? Obsessed with you? Yes.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
DJ Hasbro.
Luisito en A. Con tanta chapa. Va a hacerle. Ranking, ranking,
Piling maganda raw ako? Partida. Piling palam yan. Inggit ka na.
Ano masabi mo? Uy, sana. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. One and only broken angel.
Ako ay nananabik, mabaliw-baliw ako sa kanyang mga halik. Okay lang di maiwasan na mamiss paminsan-minsan, pero pag kami nakita aking panggigigilan.
Just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
You don't know what you mean to
Come
me.
on.
I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo.
But baby, in my eyes, you'll still be beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever.
Wala nang papasok sa buhay ko ah. Pero kung ikaw, kahit di ka pa kumakatok, welcome ka na.
A strong, beautiful woman. She can deal with stress and carry heavy burdens. She smiles when she feels like screaming, and she sings when she feels like crying. She cries when
Dadaling ko pa daw ba yung kamalditahan ko sa susunod na taon? Abay, oo. Kanino ko naman iiwan?
Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life came crashing, and I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody call my own.
What? You hate me? Pero pinapanood mo lahat ng videos at post ko? Oh, thank you sa views.
Girl, I know I've been such
such a fool, giving into temptation. I should have played it cool. The situation. Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na ko. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit nang iyong titigan para kang si Tom Cruise sa malapitan? Pretty little baby, mahal mo ba ako? Baby, don't be shy.
Be, paano kung makulong ang magaganda?
Huwag mo akong tinatakot. Dahil kung kapalit ng pagiging maganda ang makulong, handa ako.
Girl, huwag kang maarte. Hindi ka kagandahan.
For you, now there's a girl like you, nothing you can do but give the whole world to her 24/7. When she looking so sweet, that kind of body, you don't mind spending all of your time, and it's not that
I love you. Sarap pakinggan, no? Pero ingat lang, scam yan.